Morning. Heading towards Plains to buy something. Oh shit, it's so cold. Mike, it's so cold. Anyway, how are you guys going? Oh, it's the case. I'm looking for it. Oh shit, it's cold. Anyway, yeah, we're heading towards Woodings to buy something. It's around 8:20 a.m. and I'm so lazy. It's a Saturday, and they just got the bin. They just collected the garbage just recently. It was supposed to be yesterday. Anyway, it's a bit cloudy. Can't fly, cloudy and rainy. Can't fly the drone. Laura's gonna be driving today. So, oh, isn't that cool? Look at the bird. I was trailing that bird. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of cold today. So I thought if I can do anything, I can do the edits, but it's gonna be so cold for the laptop. Anyway, hope everything's gonna be good. I don't have any plans for today, but I'll come up with something. I should stop this down. See you later. Flinders Station Tram. Just trying to get used to this Sony RX 100 for filming and for vlogging. Usually I use the Canon, and I just set the picture profile to standard with Canon, and I get good colors. But I'm planning to color grade. So I really suck at color grade. I even suck at photo editing. But I'll try to do an S-log or any log and try to use LUTs. But wish me luck. I'm just starting to vlog officially yesterday. It's supposed to be on my birthday. We're looking for a parking spot. That's a good parking spot. But there's a car coming. There you go. Bunnings. Watch. Sizzle. I can smell the onion from here. Looking for double-sided tape. So, what are your plans for today? I just want to edit, eat. But Laura's gonna have her driving today, so I'm gonna be struggling on the other side of the car and trying to get her to drive properly. Good luck on me with that. Okay, here we are. Oh, I need to keep the bin. Oh, the place is so messy. You can see some scraps from everywhere. Okay. Let's go out. Oh shit, I'm seeing a lot of rubbish everywhere. See? Oh fuck, man. Rubbish. Oh, this is bad. That never fell. Might take some time. I'm gonna need to clean the house later. But we'll see how it goes. So today's gonna be laundry day. laundry day. Nothing much. Oh, by the way, that's my bike, and I haven't used it for a while. I need to go back to the trails. It's Saturday, and I am babysitting.
Oh, it's old. It's embarrassing because it's been a year.
No, not really. Okay.
I'm still not
So, what is up tomorrow? Tomorrow I'll try to finish one job, editing job. Next week's gonna be
Drive
full.
tomorrow as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive it. I can work.
I'm gonna drive like the whole day.
Okay.
It's my last.
Whole day? You can't do that. We get hungry and we'll eat a lot. Anyway, yep. Next week I'll be very busy. I'll be shooting a wedding on Saturday and Sunday. Sunday I'll be with Dawn and Aldine. And Aldine's gonna give me his tripod, small tripod. Thanks, mate. And Dawn, we're gonna remind him of that drone. The drone. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna concentrate on the road right now. Travel, food, snacks, squirms. They're so good when you're driving for hours and hours and hours. Sugar high. Hondas. Ikaw nga eh.
Ay, mga suburb. Dari siguro no. Sulit ko dari may.
Ayun.
Ha?
In 450 meters, turn left in the left two
Charge me.
lanes onto highway.
Okay nang laan. Okay na.
Wonder what happened. Why didn't they park? Shit. Okay. It's time to say goodbye to this yellow thing. JM, you're the next one. Hahaha. Peep later. Hi, Laura. Peep later.
I don't.
Haha.
Mom, siya na.
Oh, she passed.
Oh my gosh. It's no big deal.
It's a big
Kana-
deal.
Pa 8 pa kumuhuman.
It's
Uli
alright.
ka.
Nagdala akong computer. I'm just gonna edit.
Ato ka sa shopping center kay mo.
I don't know where, but I'm just gonna stay
Pwede
somewhere.
mo makakuha parking pass. Dili mo makakuha parking pass sa mall. Dili lang kay mo.
Never mind. I'm just gonna be moving around.
Naay, napade ko isulti about sa among work.